please take a moment and read through the problem that's given to you. Once you've done so, we want to make a chart, and you see that over here on the left. And so we just want to focus on the dirt aspect of everything, and that's enough information to find our solution. So notice with the chart what we have, the T, right here the T column stands for Tasha, R column stands for Roseanne, and then the teacher column is what we're trying to get to ultimately. That's going to be right here. Okay, the S is going to be standing for sand, okay, or the dirt, I guess, sand or dirt, same thing. A is what we're adding to our mixture, how much of each, and then T is going to be our total. Okay, so this first row, the percentage of sand is going to be what's going to be written here. So 87.5 is going to be in this first spot, 85 is going to be here, and 86 right here. What we're adding, we're trying to find what we're adding, so we'll let that be X, and then the other one be Y. And then the teacher, what we're trying to get ultimately is going to be 20. And then the total amount of sand is by multiplying the percentage of sand times the amount that we're adding. So 87.5 times X gives you this total, 85 times Y gives you 85Y. And then it's given to you that what we're trying to get to is an 86% mixture with sand or dirt, and we want to have 20 pounds of this mixture total. Okay, so when we multiply those together, I'm going to get 1720. And we're going to keep it as 1720 instead of as 17.20 as it technically should be. We'll just keep the decimals out of there as much as possible to make it a little simpler to work with. So what we have is we have two systems of equations that we can have, or two equations in our system, where you have X plus Y equaling 20. What we're adding with Tasha plus Rosanna is going to equal what we're trying to get to, which is 20. So X plus Y is 20. And then the other equation will be your total row right here. What we're adding with Tasha plus with Roseanne is going to equal the amount of sand mixture that we're getting total, which is going to be 1720. So when I add 87.5x plus 85y, that's going to equal 1720. So we have two equations here, and so with systems of equations, I need to multiply one of them if needed, so that I can add the two equations where one of the variables will cancel. So I'm going to multiply this equation by negative 85, so I get negative 85x minus 85y equals negative 1700. So I write that right here underneath the other equation that I had. So then now I can add them together. When I do that, the y's will cancel. I'm left with a 2.5x, and then left with a 20 on the right side of the equation. So multiply both sides by 10 to get rid of the decimal. 25x equals 200. So divide both sides by 25. X will equal 8. And if x is 8, then y would have to be 12, because x plus y equals 20. So Tasha's is the x, so it's going to be 8 pounds for Tasha, and then Roseanne is going to have 12 pounds.